Big Papa here today, going to show you how to make a battery box for a drag vehicle for in the trunk or in the bed. This here's for the bed of our S10. We've made this out of 1.5 inch angle arm with like 1/8 inch thick. And we got a 3/4 inch wide strip to make the hold down and the cross piece in the middle. We have some bolts here, which are like slick head on those with an Allen head in those. They're like 3 inches long. We don't do welding around here yet on aluminum. So we've done this all bolt together deal. And we took here and made this like 11.5 inches long by 7.5 wide. That's what fit our battery that we're using. First you cut your pieces, you cut these end pieces to 7.5 inches long, both of those, like it's 11.5 on those. We just set the 7.5 down inside those, clamped them right here at the point with some vice grips and drilled these corners right here. We run these bolts down through here and made a stud out. Let's put a nut on the bottom. That'll kind of hold it up off the bed of the truck. It has them rib things across through our net. So we've got it where it'll just set right down in the truck and then bolt in from the bottom on that. Okay, you cut you a couple of small pieces right here, like 1.5 inch wide of the angle and flip it up here and bolt it on the side right here and make these hold down deals. Take this threaded rod, or all thread as some folks calls it. You get that at the hardware store or whatever. You get that and put on here, but this is all bolt together, like I said there. Put this piece in the center to support the battery. It gets it up to the height of these. Like I said, no welding, just make it with a drill and saw, hacksaw, whatever, and get that done. And then all you gotta do, once you get it set down the vehicle, mount it down, you put your battery in here. This handle gets in the way just a little bit, but run it right down like that right there. And of course, you can make this rod shorter as you need to, according to which battery you need. Then you can cut it off, but you just thread these down. I said thread them down, but thread them on here, down till you tighten them down, and you just thread them plumb down to here and tighten it down. Your battery ain't moving nowhere. But we thank you for watching our channel, and if you like some of our content, like, subscribe, and comment.